Hi there, Charles Goddard here. I'd like to welcome you to the Alpha Omega of Trading and Investing. Now, in this video, we're going to keep it short, but what I want to do is expand on the 3 steps of my 3-step program that will take you from being a rubbish trader or investor to a proficient one. So you could be a rank beginner or you could be a struggler. And I know who you are and I know your problems, and we can solve those right here. And so let's take a look at our 3 steps. Step 1 is my book, and it's got literally everything in it from A to Z, everything you need. We start with setting up your charts. So again, if you're brand new and you don't know a stock chart from a burnt biscuit, this will show you how to get your charts up, your indicators, how to read them, and so on. We'll go through patterns, things that form on a chart over and over again, because human nature does not change. We'll show you how to trade those, and we'll work on your process, especially the cash management and risk management side, which you really need to follow. And it'll go through to portfolio management. There'll be a few extras in the appendices. Those are not things you need, but if it triggers you into doing more research, more reading, then that's great. And now we get to step 2, and here this is a class. It's probably a better part of 2 hours, and so you get it in video form. You stop, start, whatever you want, but it's going to explain in more visual terms what you've been learning in the book, and it's going to clarify some things. I know it, and again, we're going to start with setups and so on. But I wanted to demonstrate something to you out there, beginner, and just get my pen here. Now, if we just take a look at in this little circle here, I've got some moving averages on there on this chart, and those are the green line and the blue line and the red line. And essentially the green is 55 period moving average, the blue is a 21 period moving average, and the red is an 8 period moving average. And that's a tool we use to smooth things out so that we can start to make some sense of what's going on. So we will always be trading with the trend, and there are a number of ways that people identify a trend, but as a beginner you need something that's easy to identify. So here's our definition. If the blue has crossed below the green, we're in a downtrend. And then over here, what we've got, if I can do that, yep, you can see that the blue line has crossed above the green, and that is now an uptrend. Now, I can't believe that anybody looking in here cannot see that. And so if you look at this chart and you think it's all complicated and everything, there's something you can identify right away. And I'm going to show you in the class, and as a follow-up to the book, how to identify things that you can act on in an objective fashion. And then we go through everything in that class in great detail. And as I said, you can stop and start it and do as much as you want, and then come back to it until you've gotten through it and taken it all on board. Now, step 3 is our follow through. And this is where I'm making sure that you get it, that you don't just have the information or material on one level, but that you've got it on a level that allows you to implement what I've taught you into your day-to-day. So to accomplish this, we're going to have 3 months of email, and you can ask any questions you want, actually, from the trading or vesting world, and I will answer. And here's a key one for you. If you've got trades you're considering, you can send me a copy of the chart and I'll give you an opinion. Now, if you think about it for a minute, that aspect alone is worth the price of the entire program all on its own. Trades get an opinion on your trades. I don't know how that gets any better than that. Like second opinions from someone who knows what they're looking at, invaluable. Now you'll also be invited to monthly Q&As on Zoom. And if I find that we need more, I'll do more. That's fine with me. And they will continue to run as long as there are people wanting to attend. Now, if you still don't get it, if you're still not comfortable, and you need to be, then we can work one-on-one again in a Zoom or a WhatsApp or something until you do. And I'm quite happy to do that also. I just want you to be ahead of where you were when you started. That's the main thing. Now we'll just get to our startling conclusion here. And you could be looking at this and wondering, well, is this for me or is it not? And we can tap that on the head with a phone call or contact of some kind. So if you're still uncertain, drop me a line at alphaandomegaoftrading@gmail.com, and we'll have a quick chat, and you can decide from there whether this is for you or not. In the meantime, you can always drop in on my Facebook technical analysis and trading group, and if you do that alone, you're going to improve. There's information there that you can use even on a day-to-day basis. So that's about it. Hopefully I will see you in the list of registrations for this program. And in the meantime, take care of yourselves, and we will talk soon. Bye now.